The bullet-cut diamond is a bold and distinctive diamond shape, resembling the tip of a bullet with a triangular base and a pointed end. This unique geometric cut exudes a modern and edgy charm, making it a standout choice for those who love contemporary and unconventional jewelry designs. Typically used as accent stones, bullet-cut diamonds are often placed on either side of a larger center stone in engagement rings or multi-stone jewelry pieces. Their tapered shape enhances the visual flow of the design, drawing attention to the centerpiece while adding an architectural elegance. What makes the bullet cut truly unique is its sleek and minimalist appeal. The step cut faceting highlights clarity and creates a subtle sparkle, making it a refined choice for those who value clean lines and understated brilliance. Perfect for modern and avant garde jewelry, the bullet cut diamond is a rare and stylish option for creating truly unique designs. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.